I didn't see ya. I'm gonna tell you about speed cleaning. Speed cleaning is a huge trend on YouTube. In fact, it's been a big trend for a while. And for good reason. Even though the name sounds innocent enough, speed cleaning essentially involves moms filming themselves cleaning their houses wearing very little clothing. Speed cleaning videos rack up hundreds of thousands if not millions of views, and a lot of this content is fully monetized. How is speed cleaning allowed on YouTube? I don't know, but it makes me wonder why I bust my ass writing 20 news stories a week when I can just speed clean in my underwear to pay the bills. Am I right? What is happening, potato people? You're watching IO. I'm Charlotte, and no, I'm not gonna post videos of me cleaning in my underpants because I am a serious journalist and I enjoy being broke. It builds character. Okay? By the way, if you want to follow the creative team at IO, why don't you check out the description of this video for all the links to our social media channels. You will not find videos of me cleaning. That was a joke back there. Alright, before I give you this tea, let me know in the comments what's the weirdest video you've seen on YouTube. Don't hold back. Okay kids, gather round. Mama Potato's gonna tell you about the wonderful, weird, wacky world of speed cleaning. A very strange side of YouTube that you will be very surprised even exists. You've probably never heard of speed cleaning before because I mean, like, why would you look up videos on how to clean on YouTube? Cleaning is not like rocket science. Definitely not the average how-to topic most people would even bother searching. Which is another reason why speed cleaning has gone unnoticed by the people high up at YouTube, and by YouTube's monetization filters. Speed cleaning videos don't appear to be anything scandalous, at least like not from the title. Titles like Tips and Tricks for Super Speed Clean and How to Vacuum Speed Clean Tips are obviously vanilla enough to make it past YouTube's monetization filters. But when you click on one of these videos, you soon realize that you're essentially watching softcore. I mean, this is the kind of stuff you go on fetish sites for, yet these videos are clearly allowed on YouTube. Come on, you expect me to believe that single moms are looking up speed cleaning videos because they need some tips and tricks? Oh hell no, this is creep territory right here. What is it with dudes that like to watch women clean? Like, is it about traditional gender roles? Because I feel like it is. Oh look, a piece of dust on the ground. Let me get it. Oh, this mirror is so dirty. Let me clean it. Ooh. No, it's not cute. It ain't cute, honey. When it comes down to it, speed cleaning videos don't take that much effort to make. I mean, all you have to do is like set up a camera, take your pants off, press record, and start cleaning. I'm impressed. Truthfully, these moms are minimizing effort and maximizing profit. A pretty stellar business model right there. Speed cleaning is the kind of video content that makes me question, like, why do I even have a university degree? Like, why am I putting so much effort into being a smart and respectable woman when I can just film myself cleaning in my underpants and people will actually watch my videos? If speed cleaning videos happen to get demonetized, it's honestly like not a big deal because these moms don't only make money from YouTube ads. They make money from their patrons. The speed cleaning videos are essentially a YouTube-friendly commercial for their Patreons. Take Ruby Day's Patreon. Ruby Day is a YouTuber with close to 500,000 subscribers, and she usually posts these videos of herself cleaning her house wearing tight or very little clothing. Ruby Day also has 225 patrons, and each of them pay a monthly fee at different tiers for different perks. $2 a month doesn't get you very much, but as the tiers go up you get access to scandalous videos and monthly signed photos, access to sexy photo shoots, and responses to questions from Ruby Day herself. I'm sorry, wait, so you mean if I pay Ruby Day $25 a month she will actually respond to my messages? Mom, where's your credit card? Ruby Day also has a $1,000 per month tier. For $1,000 a month you get a monthly bath time video, a monthly naked yoga video, a monthly feel good advice video, plus all previous rewards. You can't actually see how much Ruby Day is making per month, but another speed cleaner, Rose Kelly, makes $12,000 a month US just from Patreon, so you get the idea. These moms are raking it in as they're sweeping. Bottom line is, I guess if you got it, flaunt it, but my question is, why does YouTube allow this kind of content that has a clear sexual undertone and could easily be found by someone under 18? An innocent kid could click on one of these videos thinking that they're gonna watch a cleaning tutorial and boom! They've suddenly found themselves looking up a single mom's miniskirt. Should this kind of content be allowed on YouTube? Let me know in those comments. For now I'm gonna do some comment replies. Quagmire said, "Don't worry Charlotte, I'm available." Oh, we know, Quagmire. We know. Giggity goo. Dan W said, "Charlotte, what's your thoughts on lesbian hamsters?" I mean, I don't have a problem with it. Love is love. Ayai Art said, "The sky is green and the earth is flat." That's the first time I'm hearing that. You should come work at I.O. Tricky Nikki said, there are a lot of news channels, but you are one of the coolest. Stop it. Stop it right now. You're so nice. Ishaq Ahmad said, loving your videos, watching from Pakistan, keep it up. Thank you very much, we definitely will. Welcome to the end screen. This means the video is over. Don't be sad, you can keep watching this channel by clicking this playlist. And make sure you subscribe to notifications so I can see you in a future I.O. video.